Hello guys, dito ay nag-solo RG ako at may nakasama akong magdulo na magaling.
Launch attack! Okay.
At dahil ako ang marksman kaya dapat maayos ang laro ko. Dito ay kalane ko si Bruno at wala siyang kasama kaya kumpiyansa akong mahaharas ko siya. Early game pa lang ay tila matindi na ang labanan sa mid lane, at dahil marunong tumiming ng flame shot si Nana kaya kami ang naka first blood.
Launch attack! First blood. Well played.
Dito ay pumapalag na ako dahil lamang na ako sa gold laban sa marksman nila.
Enemy has been slain.
At dahil laging nakatingin sa mapa ang aming support at nakitang low HP si Bruno kaya tinulungan na niya itong makauwi sa base nila.
Launch attack! Unstable network. Initiate retreat. Okay. Request backup.
Dito ay tamang farm lang tayo, at dahil damang-dama na ni Bruno ang sakit ng talsik ng first skill ko kaya hindi siya makalapit.
Unstable network. Attack the turtle. Okay. Sorry. Attack the turtle. Attack the turtle.
Dito ay malaya akong nakakapag-farm dahil tila umiwas na si Bruno sa akin at lumipat na sa bot lane kaya madali ko nang may pupush ang top lane.
Launch attack! Ally has slain the turtle. Launch attack! The power of a scarlet. Launch attack! Launch attack!
Kita nyo naman, nasa bot lane na sila.
Launch
I
attack!
always remember my enemies. There's much I've learned from them.
Launch attack!
Tamang push lang tayo at ayon, nabasag ko na ang unang tore nila sa top lane.
Turret. Launch attack! Okay.
You win some, you lose some. Now I understand.
Dito ay bumalik na si Bruno sa top lane at tago-taguan muna kami.
Launch attack! Okay. You have slain an enemy.
Just let's go!
Launch attack! Okay. Launch attack!
Understood.
Initiate retreat! Attack the turtle! Request backup has been slain! Request backup! Killing
Dito ay sinubukan kong kunin ang turtle pero kahit anong gawin saan man ang gulong tingnan hindi ko maaagaw dahil hindi ako nakaretro.
Enemy has slain the turtle. Request backup.
Surrender!
Initiate retreat. Launch attack. Request backup.
I'm not
Andito na
fixated
naman
on
kami ni
winning.
Bruno tago-taguan ang makitang lumabas patay.
You have slain an enemy. Mega kill.
Lusting for power makes them weak.
Launch attack. Your team destroyed a turret. Has been destroyed. Initiate retreat. Request backup. Okay.
Dito ay akala kong mamamatay ako pero salamat dahil hindi ako iniwan ng aming support kaya palag-palag na hahaha.
Initiate retreat. Okay. Double kill. Triple kill. Maniac. Request backup. Okay.
Salamat Lilia dahil hindi mo ipinagdamot ang aking unang savage sa season na ito.
Monster kill. Your team destroyed a turret. Request backup. Double kill. Request backup.
Gather at the turtle!
Request
The
backup.
moon is my best companion.
Ally has been attacked.
Understood.
Initiate retreat. Enemy has been slain. Legendary.
That was amazing!
Attack the turtle.
Understood.
Request
Gather at the
backup.
turtle!
Okay.
Retreat from the Lord!
Request backup. Okay. Shut down. Legendary. Your team destroyed the turret.
Burn and bloom.
Launch attack. Killing spree. Launch attack. Okay. Request backup.
The shore is never as far away as it seems.
Mega kill.
You're
Launch
going to
attack.
reach the pinnacle to bloom, Hanabi.
Ult is ready. Request backup. Your team destroyed a turret. Request backup. Okay. Legendary. Request backup.
Understood.
An enemy has been slain.
Fear.
Request
It
backup.
drowns you in the dark river of your mind.
Request backup.
We forge ahead together.
Your
Like
team
two
request backup. You have slain an enemy. The Lord. Request backup.
Gather up the Lord!
Okay.
Burn
Request back blue. Request backup. Legendary. Double kill. Request backup. Request backup. Request backup.
Understood.
Request
At dahil hindi na namin pwede patagilin kaya tinapos na namin, salamat sa mga random na nakakakampi ko.